Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Sinh này, tranexamic acid. English. Ủa? My hair. Ow! Đây. Đây. My hair. Hey, my cat is very big right now. His eyes very blue. I know. My cat is crazy right now, but I have to focus on my video. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Thao and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox a bunch of packages I bought on Pinduoduo, which was shipped from China to Vietnam. This video is a part of an unboxing series, so if you're interested, you can check out the other unboxing video in this series. Now, let's get into the main part of the video and start unboxing. When I received this package, it had a hole here. So I'm not sure if someone steal anything inside this package. I should do this to make a thumbnail for my video. So heavy. Okay, first, this one. Do you know that now my cat is sitting on my chair and be my first audience in this video before editing the video. Every movement I make, he always move and focus his eye on my action. Okay, first package. I bought this one. I bought this one. So I'm gonna put the picture over here. And next, I think this one. Something like this. I don't know, should I change my outfit for this? Or should I keep this one? Oh, I have this hair like this. I don't think I should change. I don't want to damage my hair, and then later I have to fix it. Oh, I'm not good with this. Okay, let me unbox the last package for this time. And this is very, very expensive. I should unbox this one first, right? Oh, this one, this time is so fail. Oh, I believe this one is oil, gel, and this one is a cream. The box inside also, oh, very wet. I bought this one. So every night I will use this. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I have to unbox this one too, because this product cannot work without gel. Okay, smell very, very good. Smell very, very good. And this is the structure. Just my finger, my hand is dirty from unboxing the packages. So I just use it at a temper, and I hope it don't stop. I really don't know how to use it. Oh. Okay, again. Oh, it's like ding, 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 ding. It has electric. I'm used to it. Just now in the beginning, I feel so scared. Because I don't know, is this product called in English? I will put product name in here. So if I feel pain here, I put it here, right? Probably. Yeah, possible. Just feel, I'm used to it. I feel tick, 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 tick in my armpit too. Strong. Yeah, okay.
然后直接把它往上一贴，它是往里去收缩的，被动的给你们去做训练，像你的腹直肌、腹内斜肌，还有你们的髂腰肌，都是往中间走的，所以锻炼盆底肌，在月子中心做产康的，做过的肚子都是紧实的。然后另外的一个手臂也给你们看一下，做过的手臂我不讲它有多细了，最起码它的肉不会掉下来。你穿吊带、穿抹胸，它不会松松垮垮，两边男人女人都能用，这都行。他用了2个多月，你们看一下，现在上方的肌肉就很明显了。如果你是单纯的有小肚腩的，比如说上面已经好看了，你们就直接贴下面做你的小肚子。如果说胃包大、爱打嗝、爱胀气的姐妹可以做胃包，直接绑上腹。看一下整个肚子它是往上提的，因为它生过2胎，很多姐妹肚子是松的。我就这么讲，如果你们是想要紧致的、想要塑形的姐妹，你用1次2次，姐妹生过孩子肚子是松松垮垮的，凝胶可以紧致我们的腰腹。第二个姐妹要喷水，为什么喷水？因为像200-300斤的肚子特别松的话。
This is Essence Foaming Cream. I bought one set. It totally has 3 products. This, the main product, and beside had 2. One is for the gel. You cannot use this product without the gel. So you always have to apply the gel to have like water or moisturizing or something. And then you can use the product. And this one is Essence Foaming Cream. Next. This look like a box inside. Okay, let me unbox this one. So this is a third package. Oh! Charger? Okay. This is a mirror. Oh!
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Why I cannot see myself? I see my images upside down. Am I wrong something? Really? My image is upside down. Oh. Okay. I don't know. I have to figure out this product, but it made my eye so tired. Okay, next. This one. I bought it to scrub my skin like this too, but it's so tight. Anyway, damage. Okay, next. This one. Nowadays I exercise a lot. Okay, let me open this. This is the glove, but why it looks so dirty? Really dirty. But it looks so dirty. Next. What is it? This one? Oh, this one? Oh, I cannot see myself. My cat will love it. Oh, why two is in? It's good on me or not? Okay. Why is this so small? Next. This one. Yeah, my hand's so small. Can you see it? So small. Probably I will have to adjust this one smaller. Like this. My hand's so super small. I'm very colorful now. Okay, next. This one, I bought some hydroquinone cream, which is the best cream for pigmentation. I bought two. Let me see inside. Yeah, this is how it looks like inside. Ủa? Cái này là sao? Ủa? Không có hàng gì hết. Cái này bị này. What the? Okay. I don't know what product it does, but okay. Next. This one. This is so blue. You're not gonna wear this one. Ooh. This one, okay. I love this one. This one better than this one. This one is so blue. And this one, okay. This one is great. Good color. Do you want this? Ow! There. Next. This one. này, I think someone opened this one already, and then they put the tab on. This one, you see, still off the bill. This one is earphone. Like this. Yeah. Oh, the big one is above. The small one is behind. Let me connect and check later. But it seems okay. It seems good with the case. This one's so light. I like light product. So when I carry everything together, it won't add up any extra weight. Okay, next. This one. Okay. Maybe it has something inside, but it's so light. Another bracelet. Tight. But my hand is so small. My hand is so small. A lot like this. See, still. Right now I cannot open. Okay, never mind. Okay, next. Oh, this is soap. Caustic acid soap. Go with this to clean my body. Like this. Next. I have 3 tranexamic acid. English. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to create content in English because I want to put myself in the environment I have to speak English. So I want to practice my English in my own video. If anyone watch my video and see my broken English, don't judge me. I'm not perfect. Not everyone perfect in this life, and I'm going to improve myself better. Which is I don't have any environment to practice to speak English. So, you know, structure in English is very, very different from Vietnamese. So, okay, that's it. I'm still learning a lot English every day because I don't speak regularly. That's why when I speak English, I kind of put upside down of the structure. So this one is tranexamic acid 3. I got 3. This is how it look like. Next. Woo. Charger, brush, zip. Oh, okay. This work. Oh, if I want to clean it, and just this one is magnet. So I just open this one and then put in the tap water and clean it like this. Okay, that's good. And then next, three hydroquinone cream. I think this one tranexamic acid and hydroquinone cream is the same company, so the packaging is very same. Let me unbox one. This is how it look like inside. This next. This is another tranexamic acid, but with different company. So let me unbox one first. Wow, this is 30 gram, which is the order. I think this one, how many gram? 15 gram. just I have this one. This one is big. Okay. This one. This is a body swap. I bought 3, but this one is very, very, very cheap. I'm not sure what is it. Maybe it's a gift. Oh, why it's so wet? Okay, I'm gonna unbox this one because this is so wet. I don't know. Where does it come from? Which one? Which one? I don't know. What? This next, the previous last package. Oh, this one for me too. You know, for the cream. This. So when I apply the cream on my body every night, I don't want the cream stuck in my nails. So I'm gonna use this one and then apply the cream on my skin. You know what is it? Now you smell something and now you come over. Something over there. Let's take a look. Check it. Here is investigate. Look like my dog last time. My dog always investigate me when I'm back home or when I receive any package. No, don't eat. Smell only is okay. I have 2 packages I bought from Vietnamese platform, which is Shopee. So let me unbox in this video too. I bought 2 of this for my cat. And actually I got voucher. So I bought this one. It's very cheap. Like they give this for free and this one is also have voucher too. So this one probably like I get it for free. And the last package. Ooh. This one is good. Okay. Wow. That is a lot. I think you guys might surprise. Okay. This. And this one. And this one. Oh. Yeah, I know. This is a lot. Okay. Right now, I already done all of my packages. Have to unbox today. And I will have to move to the next part as clean up and have to think where to put all of these products because my house is full of product for my customer, merchandise, inventory that I have been selling product on e-commerce for over 8 years and a half, I believe, because I saw the time and phase on my LinkedIn that I have been selling product since 8 years and a half. Oh my gosh, that's such a long time for me. And anyway, right now I don't really want to sell products in Vietnam. I just want to clear up all the inventory in my house so I will have bigger space. Or if I want to move out, then I don't have to bring a lot of products along with me. But whenever I think of, because my house, I don't have space right now, I want to move out. But I think of, every day I have to pack the package for my customer. Or maybe someday, I don't want to go back and forth between my place and my product place. So it is very convenient for me to just like wake up and then print the bill and all the boxes also in display and all the inventory also in this displays. So I can save time to do something else or relax. So every time I think of move out and then I will, that is a lot. I cannot move out. I cannot go. I have to stay. If the product is here, I have to stay. And then more and more and more and more.
Tên. Trời ơi, hàng của em cái điện thoại em là dạng như điện thoại cùi bắp, cho nên là
gáp vô lại nè, rất là dễ. Và ở đây có thể rửa mặt được nha.
Đây mọi người có thể cầm cái nhỏ như vậy. Hello, và bây giờ là em đã gói gần xong tất cả các đơn hàng. Đây, cái quay cái lọ chiên không dầu, cái phần màu đen nó sẽ dính vào, và khi mà cái thứ ba là em sẽ phải làm tư liệu. Đây là tư liệu của em. Ok, bây giờ em sẽ unbox cái này. Phải rất là nhiều. Nào xin lỗi các bạn là tại vì mình khá là bận. Now, that's why all of my unboxing video or my videos has a very limited space to make the video. And when I go outside, I get shy when I talk in front of the camera or when I film the video. Everything also has problems. Yeah. Okay, I'm rambling right now already. Oh my god, my nose is being stuck again. I have been sick for 3 weeks already, and I am taking double pill of antibiotics, which is very, very bad for my health right now. But because my body doesn't adapt one antibiotics until now, 3 weeks already. I have tonsillitis. Last time I went to Pinduoduo island trip when I back home. I have been sick for almost 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I have all kind of like fever, sore throat, coughing, phlegm. And this time I have the same symptoms. Oh my gosh. So I think I have to get tonsils. Which is I don't want to. Today I feel better, much more better, and the packagings arrived today. So, oh my gosh, thank God I can make this video. Otherwise, a few days I still have fever. Okay, I'm rambling again. But I hope everything will be good for me and I will get lucky again in the future. Oh, the last 2 years and this year. Oh my gosh. Okay. I see you guys in my next unboxing video or my next video. Bye bye, and hope you have a great weekend ahead and healthy. Bye bye.